Hello everyone, welcome with Monisha Nair. Today we are making beetroot pachadi. So let's get into this video. For that, here I have taken 2 beetroot. This is regular medium size beetroot. First you need to peel off the skin just like this using a scraper or using a knife. And now I am going to lightly wash this. Once this is washed, now using a grater we are going to grate this beetroot. So use this big holes to grate the beetroot. So when you will grate the beetroot, it will be very easy for us to cook the beetroot in less time. So there is no much cooking time needed. And this pachadi is mostly made during sadhyas or even any time of the year, and it's very healthy because we are going to make this with very less oil. Now I am going to transfer this grated beetroot to this saucepan. Once we have transferred the grated beetroot to this, I am adding some salt to taste and half cup of water. That's it. Now we are going to mix this well. Once this is mixed, now I am going to switch on the flame and we'll cover and cook this on medium flame for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, not more than that. On side we'll make the grinded masala. For that, here in a small mixie jar I am adding 4 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger, half cup of freshly grated coconut which comes up to 45 grams. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and little bit of water. Now we'll grind this. And just like this you need to grind. Now we'll go back to our beetroot. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'll mix this just once like this, and to this we'll add a grinded paste. Now once we have added the grinded mixture, we'll mix this well and we'll cook this only for 2 more minutes on medium flame. It's been 2 minutes. Now I'll switch off the flame. The cooking process is done. Now no need to switch on the flame. Now to this I am adding 1 cup of thick curd which comes up to 230 grams. And to the same cup I have added little bit of water and I am adding it here. Now we'll mix this well and our beetroot pachadi is ready. See how simple this recipe is. Within minutes we made this delicious beetroot pachadi, and you can have this with rice or even with rotis. And it's a very healthy recipe. And to this I am adjusting little bit of salt, so taste and adjust the salt. Now we'll mix this well and we'll keep this aside and we'll start making the tempering for this beetroot pachadi. So this will enhance the flavor. So here in a tadka pan I am adding 3 tablespoons of edible coconut oil. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. As soon as the mustard seeds crackle up, to this I am adding 2 dry red chilli, 2 strings of curry leaves. Now we'll mix this well. Now I have switched off the flame and I'll add this tempering to this beetroot pachadi. Now we'll mix this well, and on the same tadka pan I am going to add little bit of water. So we'll not waste anything. Little bit of water I am adding it to the tadka pan and I am adding it to this pachadi. Now we'll mix this and our beetroot pachadi is ready. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video with all your friends and family. Thank you for watching.